You've been lost for too long, tired, distracted, stuck. But winter is coming, and it's not here to break you. It's here to build you. Winter arc starts in October. And if you don't know what that means, you're about to find out why it can change everything for you. While most people spend these months hiding from the cold, waiting for January to start fresh, you'll do the opposite. You'll use these dark, quiet months to become someone completely different. I'm not talking about small changes like I'll hit the gym more. I'm talking about the kind of transformation that makes people look at you in March and say, something's changed. That lazy, tired, distracted version of you. He dies this winter because winter isn't your enemy. It's your training ground. When the world slows down, when distractions fade, that's your moment to rise. You know those anime training arcs where the main character disappears, trains in brutal conditions, and comes back unrecognizable? That's exactly what this is. While everyone hides from discomfort, you'll embrace it. When they sleep, you'll grind. When they waste time, you'll sharpen your mind, body, and focus. By March, while others are just starting their resolutions, you'll already be transformed. That's the power of your winter arc. But listen carefully. This isn't about motivation. Motivation fades when it's cold outside. This is about building a system that works especially when you don't feel like it. Your winter arc is built on 5 pillars, and if you master them all, you'll become unstoppable. Pillar 1, discipline and routine. Your life changes the day you decide to control your time. Wake up and sleep at the same time every day, even weekends. Start your morning with small wins. Journal, hydrate, stretch. Cut the dopamine traps. Scrolling, junk food, useless noise. Replace them with habits that build momentum. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Pillar 2, body and health. Your body is your foundation. Move every day. Gym, calisthenics, or a long walk. Even when it's cold, especially when it's cold. Eat clean, stay strong, take cold showers. You're not just training your body, you're training your mind to do hard things. Pillar 3, mind and mental strength. Your mind will either drive you or destroy you. Meditate or breathe 10 to 15 minutes daily. Feed your mind with real knowledge. Read books that grow you. Reflect daily. Not for likes, but for growth. Track your thoughts like you track your workouts. Pillar 4, skills and knowledge. Pick one skill that can change your life and master it. Not 10 things, not random tutorials. One skill. Spend 1 to 2 focused hours a day creating, not consuming. By March, you should have something real. A website, a project, a skill that proves your discipline. Pillar 5, execution and future setup. Dreams mean nothing without execution. Start something. A side hustle, a project, anything. Review your progress weekly. By March, set your 2026 goals. Body, money, mindset. You're not waiting for the new year. You're creating it. Yes, it's hard. You'll want to quit, but that's the point. Every early morning, every cold shower, every rep in silence, it's building your next version. Discomfort isn't your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. While the world hides from the cold, you'll use it to forge your strength. When 2026 arrives, you won't need to tell anyone you've changed. They'll see it in your eyes. Winter arc is where legends are built. The question is, are you ready to become who you were meant to be? Your winter arc starts now.